go.
Let's go. Hi, Marion.
Hi, Delphine. Okay.
This is good to be here. We're doing the 4 thumbs, les 4 coups.
The 4 thumbs. Now we're going to Central Meridian.
Central Meridian.
We're doing more than 4 thumbs.
Okay.
We're cheating.
Cheating.
We want to be healthier than ever. 10 point.
Yes. Governing. You're already there.
We're governing, yeah. I'm quick. I'm from New York. Okay, K27.
K27.
Under the collarbone. Only fools wear glasses on there. Now thump your thymus like Tarzan. Oh.
Why do you thump your thymus?
I always thump my thymus because it's loaded with T cells, your T helper cells. It increases your immunity. And now, if you wear a bra, under your bra line, if you're a guy, about 3 inches under your nipple. And this is a spleen point and a liver point. If you have a big hand and do a big karate chop, you can get both of them. We're clearing lymph. We're energizing our bodies, and
processing food and emotions.
Okay. Now next,
under
the monkey.
The monkey. The kids
hey,
love
we're
it.
The monkeys.
Yes.
Next, some crossovers.
Crossovers.
Let's go.
What does it help with?
Oh, it helps when your energies are running backwards to start them to run forwards. And if your energies are really testing that they're running backwards, you also want to do
like
this.
12.
She's cheating.
Why?
Because I'm raising my knees up really high to get extra exercise. But if you don't want to, you can do this. You can also.
You can even do it in bed.
You can do it in a chair. You can do it in bed, and then do more crossovers. And then your energies are running forward, so you're not scrambling everyone you're talking to. We'll explain that in another video.
Okay.
Okay, next. What would you like to do? What about the crown pull?
No, let's work on our aura.
Oh, my aura is perfect.
The aura. Your aura is perfect.
I'm an angel.
You are.
Let's go.
Okay.
Aura.
Okay.
I'm dialing in.
Elbow together.
Over together.
Cross. Uncross.
And cross.
And cross.
And
cross.
And down.
And bring all the energy up and shower yourself of it.
And now my aura is out to the ends of the universe.
Yes. Okay. And then connecting heaven and earth?
Yes.
Let's do it. Whew. What does it help with?
Oh, connecting the upper energies of the body and the lower energies of the body.
There.
Oh, and stretching. Look up, take a deep breath. Exhale as you go down. And you want to feel the energy of heaven in one hand and the energy of earth in the other, which you can after a few rounds.
It brings me back to center too.
It stretches your spine beautifully too.
Yeah.
But it also helps ground you because you're touching heaven and earth energy. And it's going through your midline, your central meridian. And it's feeding your 3 energy centers. It's feeding your vitality, your heart center, and it's feeding your brain, your spirit too. Okay, next.
Next, zip up. Zip up, we start pubic bone.
Top of your pubic bone, it goes to the chin crease. And why do you do this? Because there are energy vampires everywhere.
Yes!
You can't get away from them.
To protect yourself.
Exactly. So pretend that from here to here is a zipper. And what you're going to do is zip up, meaning that you're zipping in all your good energy and keeping out all the vampire bad energy. So intention is important, so is the breath. Yes. So on the inhale, keeping in all that good energy, go down again, exhale, inhale, keeping in that good energy, exhale, and now zip up for the last time, keeping in all your good energy on the inhale. Lock it and swallow the key.
Oh, I throw the key.
How do you feel?
Good.
Strong?
Yes.
Boom, strong like bull.
And to make sure, let's ground on
governing meridian. So governing meridian starts here goes over the head, and then it
All the way
ends.
here.
Right. It
It's
ends where.
And then
What are you gonna do?
The
Show
Buffalo.
show governing meridian.
Governing, but that's
Okay.
not what I want.
Goes all the way up and around,
okay, around
and then
here.
it hooks in here. So you want to protect yourself there too. So you can connect the front and the back.
Okay.
And lock it.
Let's ground the whole kidney
You want to do
area.
the belt
energy.
meridian?
Yes.
Okay, this is called the Ming Men, the gate of life, right here. And one way to ground it is just to rub. And it's better actually to rub on your skin directly for kidneys. Or you can tap lightly with your fingers like this, but very lightly you tap. You bend and tap.
Move around.
Bend and tap. Very lightly. Okay?
And then you bring energy.
So this is called the belt meridian. Very important, especially if you have this little muffin top. This gets rid of the muffin top after a while. So you start here and then you wrap your hands around your midline and then go off the opposite leg. Go down the seam of the pants leg and do that a few times. So 1, 2, 3, down the seam, off the toe. And now do the other side. 1, 2, 3, off the toe.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I have some extra fat on my midline. You have none. But, you know, for someone older, you do it at least 3 times.
Okay. Wow. That is cool.
And I started at the Ming Men, so I started here. And then I go all the way across and down. Okay?
Okay.
Next.
We're just gonna do a hookup to finish it all.
Are you a hooker?
No.
So, what is a hookup? You stick your middle finger in your belly button and your navel, pull it up. And your other middle finger on your third eye, pull up. And then imagine you're circulating your chi, your energy, around your body. It's going up to the top of your head, down the back of your spine, and up again from the way in down here, the perineum, all the way up. So you're circulating all that energy. So you're connecting all the body's energies.
Don't forget to breathe. Okay.
Do that for about a minute or until it feels like it's connected. You always want to feel connected. If you want to do the crown pull,
Crown pull.
rub your hands together, shake them off, thumbs at the temples, put your fingers midline, take a deep breath, and stretch, stretch, stretch. Shake it off.
You shake it.
Same thing, thumbs at the temples, your fingers at the hairline, stretch, dig your fingers in. And you feel the energy. You have a lot of stuck energy in your head and then the top of your head. It gets rid of the stuck energy in your head.
This is good when you're trying to work and you get stuck and you can't think
Top of
anymore.
head.
Just open up.
Back of head,
Or a bit of a headache coming up. Do it right away.
back of head, and the neck. Oh God, that feels so good.
It does.
And then when you're really stressed, this is something, it's called the vagus nerve. You want to calm down the vagus nerve. So you start at the beginning of your ears, take an in-breath, and trace around your ears, sort of hard. Go down your neck, go down your shoulders, and then come to your heart. Take a deep breath, and do that 3 times. So it's good when you breathe in, you exhale, you go ha. Like you've had a great meal. So let all that energy just rest in your heart. And it's very helpful. What else would you like to do? Is that
I'm
enough?
good. Yeah.
Enough
I think
for
we're
this
good.
video.
Thank you so much.
And if you feel great, like us.
Yes.
Thank you.